So, traditional administrator. So, makita nato din na traditional administrator that is characterized by the hierarchy. So, sa'yo pasabot sa hierarchy ka? Pagkasunod. So, it means na level of position. So, sa traditional administrator, siya kibali yung taas. Autocratic siya kibali kay na napanin ni Rachel kay na sa autocratic style. So ang traditional administrator is kanang same lang siya sa autocratic style kay kanang hierarchy ganin siya kung kinsa tong taas na ko example dinhi sa school kinsa iko nato president. So siya yung mag-implement kibali ng mga activities. Kibali, kibali, focus siya sa administrator. Next is modern administrator. Isa yung makabasa. So, edit. Ay, sige, tuloy na lang. Basta ko is straight na yun.
Modern administrators emphasize stability, creativity, and teamwork. They place a high value in open communication and flexibility. So sa modern administrators, emphasize nila ang I think the creativity of the students, or not only the students, but also the teachers who teach the students how to be creative, how to promote teamwork, solidarity in the school. Sa school na kita focus, no? Okay, they place a high value in open communication. Open communication kay tungod, every individual kay has the right to, open their point of view, to have, for them to address it to the other person to settle that problem if ever my problem mali.
So, in short, ang modern administrator is often na siya, kibali, democratic gani siya everyone can contribute the idea, kibali, makakuha silang mga idea, makahatag silang mga idea, kibali. So next, kamu na gyapon na. Last timing. So, kuan kibali, in short, the traditional style is gitawag na boss. Then, ang modern administrator is leader. Kamu yan kibali. Sa traditional style is a person who gives order to employees and behaves in an authoritative way, seek control and tells men what to do is a boss. So kibali ang traditional administrator, siya yung mag-atag ng mga activity, siya control sa mga usay himuonon. Then sa modern style is a person who influence, inspire, support and encourage a group of individual and works continue on the achievement of goals is a leader. So ang mga ito, kibali open na siya, makahatagan yung kibali for diniya sa picture, makatabang siya sa president o mga idea, yun sa kibali. So, thanks. So in conclusion, the difference between traditional modern administrator highlights the evolution of leadership in the workplace. Recognizing and appreciating this diverse perspective can foster better collaboration and innovation, ultimately leading the more successful organizational outcomes. Guys, thank you.